high temperatures reaching the mid to upper 90s and even triple digits in places like McAllen in the Upper Valley. And that's going to continue really for this weekend. If you're outside during the day, please do take it easy. Drink lots and lots of water. As expected, we're seeing more clouds streaming into the valley from the southwest. Low clouds are shown in the gray, high clouds in the bright white. We'll have mostly cloudy skies overnight, but partly cloudy skies for tomorrow afternoon. And of course, tomorrow is Friday. Temperatures are currently in the upper 80s in Edinburgh and Rio Grande City, 86 degrees in McAllen, 84 in Harlingen, 86 in Brownsville, and 84 degrees in Raymondville. Here's your day planner forecast for Friday. We'll call it partly cloudy as the day goes on. 83 warm and humid to start at 8 a.m. We're up to 95 at noon, 97 degrees at 5 p.m. Just hot and breezy, even windy. Again, highs in the upper 90s to triple digits. We will see heat indices, the feels like temperatures between 110 to 115 again, so please be careful out there and stay cool. Here's a look at the tropics. Happily, the Atlantic Ocean, Caribbean Sea, Gulf of Mexico, all quiet. Out west, we are watching this potential area of low pressure that should develop perhaps next week. At least there's a 30% chance of development over the next 5 days as well to the south of the Pacific coast of Mexico, but it is expected to stay over open Pacific waters for the next couple of days. The reason for the quiet pattern in the tropics right now in the Atlantic and Gulf and Caribbean, we have the Saharan dust coming off the coast of Africa, and that dust tends to suppress tropical formation. It basically dries out the atmosphere, so the hurricanes and tropical storms do not like this dust. That's good for us. This dust is expected to move through the Caribbean Sea and the Gulf of Mexico for this weekend into next week, at least for the next 5 days. So good news for us. Back home in the valley, things are pretty quiet right now thanks to stable air mass in place. We have been seeing some showers and thunderstorms off the mountains of Mexico, but it should be dry for us. There's a dry line still in place over West Texas. That dry line separates warm, moist air to the east from warm, dry air to the west. So they've been seeing some thunderstorms earlier today in the Panhandle and very nasty weather right now in western Kansas and Nebraska with severe thunderstorm watches. None of that for us here. For us, here's the future track map. Notice the big blue H, big ridge of high pressure, stays over the Gulf of Mexico, but it has nothing influence to give us that dry pattern still for tomorrow and Saturday. There may be a slight chance of a shower or storm on Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. That's thanks to this big upper low swinging right to the north of us. It may give us a few disturbances, a couple of impulses of energy, if you will, to give us a slight chance of a shower or thunderstorm for Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. But throughout all of this, those high temperatures for us will still be hot each day with highs in the mid to upper 90s. So just dry tomorrow, dry Saturday, 10% chance of a shower on Sunday and Monday. We'll call for a 20% chance of a shower or thunderstorm on Tuesday. On the water, small craft should use caution. We'll have winds out of the southeast at 15 to 25 knots. The bay waters are choppy in the seas, 3 to 6 feet. Here's your first 4 and 5 accurate the forecast. A low temperature of 80 degrees, but the highs continue in the upper 90s into the weekend. That's your first 4 and 5 forecast.
We continue